Hi, this is Patty D. Priest and welcome to Educate Academy. Today we're going to look at contacts in Google. It used to be that you got to your contacts from within your Gmail account, but about a year ago, maybe 9 months ago, they moved contacts out of Gmail and made it its own app. And so to get there, you're going to go to contacts.google.com, or you can come over here to the waffle. You're going to find your contacts right here. Of course, this can be moved around, so it won't necessarily be right there. All right, once you're in contacts, your contacts, if you click here, all of them will be listed here. This account doesn't have any contacts, but you can always create a contact by coming up here and typing in the information. When you have all the information in, you would go ahead and click Save. You can also set up labels. I'm going to discard this. And within the labels, these are kind of like email groups when you want to email a group of people. And there is one that was created here called Kate's Email List. So when I want to create a label, I can create a new one here and I would name it, and then I would add people to the label. You could look at it as labels. It's kind of like the labels within Gmail. They're basically creating groups of email addresses, okay? The other things you can do within contacts is you can import email addresses, you can export them. So let's say you're leaving your job and you need to take all these contacts with you, you can export them. And typically you can import and export from one email to another. You can print your email list just as a backup if you need that. You can go here. This is a new feature in contacts where you can look for duplicates. Under directory, you're going to find the contacts that have been set up by your school or organization. And so on here, I'm going to find all of the Murray State addresses, and on yours, you're going to actually find your school email addresses. So those are already in there for you, or should have been set up in there, and they'll be under directory. They won't be in your personal contacts. That's all there is to contacts. It's really pretty easy. Thanks for watching and have a great day.